Hi and welcome to Sailing Serenade, Episode 7. In this episode, I modify and repair a few things on Serenade. Serenade has lazy jacks, and for those who don't know, lazy jacks are the lines that guide the sail neatly onto the boom. But this doesn't always happen, and when you're out at sea, you have to also climb up and strap the sail down. The modification I've made is that the lazy jacks now incorporate the sail cover. Americans call them stack packs. So in theory now, when you drop the sail, it just falls into the bag and then you zip it up. Serenade's life raft was old and had definitely copped a beating. The reason for that is that it was situated just in front of the main mast, where the staysail boom would hit it, or if you were climbing down the mast you would step on it, causing cracks. As large as Serenade is, there was only one place to have the life raft, and that was in its original place. So I've removed the old mounts and replaced it with a new stainless steel frame. This way it's protected from the boom and anyone stepping down from the mast. It was almost 2 years to the day since I'd first pulled Serenade out of the water. I needed to replace the skin-fitting sea cocks and anodes. And of course, when the boat's out of the water, you always take the opportunity to give it a new coat of anti-foul. This was not the main reason Serenade was pulled from the water. Serenade is such a large boat to manoeuvre and she doesn't turn on a dime. This made me very anxious when I had to navigate around other boats to get to Serenade's mooring. I had saved my pennies for the last 2 years to finally get a bow thruster installed in Serenade. A very strange feeling watching them cut away into your boat, but the end result was going to be marvellous. After consultation with the auto marine electrician and the shipwright, I chose Vetus with extra burn time for Serenade's size. The shipwright told me that Serenade was a custom-built boat and her hull was 1.5 inches thick, in some places 2 inches thick, and said that if I ever decided to do the Northwest Passage, don't worry about going around icebergs, just go through them. I truly don't know how the previous owners managed Serenade without having a bow thruster. The shipwright did a fantastic job on Serenade's bow thruster, and it is mounted to specification, but I felt uneasy the way it sat. I felt it had to be secured at a higher point, so I made these brackets for peace of mind. hope you've enjoyed watching Sailing Serenade episode 7 as much as I've enjoyed using my brand new bow thruster, truly making me look like a professional. If you liked the video, give me the thumbs up, subscribe, and please share. Thank you very much for watching.